Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Acura RDX headlight bulb. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear clean gloves to protect the new bulb from skin oils, which can cause premature failure. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. You will also want to gather a few essential tools, such as a screwdriver, pliers, and of course, your new headlight bulb. Next, you'll need to gain access to the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood to locate the rear of the headlight assembly. Depending on your specific model, you might need to remove a protective dust cap or a few small fasteners to get a clear view. For certain bulbs, like those on the driver's side, you might find it easier to access them by removing some clips from the wheel well liner. With access gained, it's time to remove the old bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. This usually involves pressing a small tab and gently pulling it straight off. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb and twist it counterclockwise, typically about a quarter turn, to release it from its socket. For certain bulb types, like HID, you might encounter metal clips that need to be squeezed and pulled back to free the bulb. Now for the installation of your new headlight bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, making sure to align any notches or tabs correctly. Once seated, twist the bulb clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Before putting everything back together, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working properly. Then, reassemble any removed components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.